Okay, so personification, we're on to the P of our map. So it is when a writer gives an animal or an object qualities or abilities that can only be possessed by a human. Okay, so what you're doing there when you're personifying something, I'm sure we've all heard it in school, you are bringing something to life. You are behaving as though a non-animate object. Personifying the weather is often a really good trick. I love the weather. Personifying the weather is often a really good trick. Personifying the sun, personifying a storm. You know, the angry storm raged and battered our little tiny boat. Okay, so it's not literally angry, but it's behaving that way. So it's giving it human qualities. Okay, so for an example, we've got the wind screamed and the lightning danced across the sky. Obviously, the wind doesn't scream, hasn't got a mouth. Lightning can't dance, hasn't got legs. However, it's to do with the movement, and it brings things, it brings them to have some sort of human quality that's quite interesting, brings things to life. And that's what we're trying to do with our story. We're trying to bring everything to life. Okay, similes, here we go. So, as I did with metaphors to similes, you can also turn similes into metaphors. Similes obviously have that as or that like. It is different from a metaphor, but if you're trying to identify which one's which, just look for those as or like words. So, it sparkled like a diamond, it was as round as a pizza, things like that. Now, if they weren't literally diamonds or pizzas, you could say her smile was a diamond. You know, it's like glinting, it's very pristine, it's very perfect.